Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into Anaconda programming environments. If you are a beginner, this will be an exciting step for you. We will learn all about Anaconda and how to use its virtual environment to make your projects more organized. We'll cover what Anaconda is, why we use virtual environments, how to install Anaconda, set up a virtual environment, and how to manage packages inside it. So let's get started. First of all, what exactly is Anaconda? Anaconda is an open source distribution of Python and R. It's widely used in any Python projects, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence because it makes package management and environment management a lot easier. Now the question is, why do we need virtual environments? Virtual environments keep projects separate, avoid conflicts between package versions and dependencies. For instance, Project 1, a Pygame project, which requires Python 3.8, Pygame, OpenGL, NumPy, and another project, Project 2, which is an AI project which requires Python 3.10, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Pandas. So working with both of them in the base environment can be messy, unorganized, and time consuming. So in this situation, a virtual environment lets us keep the projects separate. We can create separate environments for each type of projects. Now I'll show you the installation process. Head over to anaconda.com or just type Anaconda in your browser. Go to the official site and click free download. Then you will be asked to submit your email address, or you can just skip it. Choose your OS and download. Then open the downloaded file, go next, I agree, just me, next. Now here remember to tick the box to add Anaconda in your path so that it works from your default terminal, and also clear the cache, then install and wait until it's finished. Now Anaconda will start initializing and Anaconda Navigator will be opened. Anaconda Navigator is a graphical user interface where you can manage packages without using terminal commands. You can install some common packages from here, you can create environments, learn about something, community pages, and of course the documentation page where you'll learn everything about Anaconda. Downloading Anaconda will install all these applications, but we just need the Anaconda prompt to do most of the work. So let's make a desktop shortcut of this. Now I'll show you how to set up a virtual environment. Open the Anaconda prompt, a terminal will be opened where you can unleash your conda creativity. At first, let's type conda. It will give you all the conda information including the commands. You can go to your base Python mode by typing Python and enter. You can see that it shows my base Python version and I can give any Python commands here also. But remember that it's in Python mode now. To get out to conda again, just type exit first bracket and enter. So I am in conda mode again. Then I can clear the screen anytime I want by just typing cls and enter. Now I'll show you the command to create an environment. Type conda create --name or -n in short. Then type your environment name, which I can say env1. At the end, the Python version you want, let's say Python 3.7, and press enter. This is the magic command to create an environment, and it's quite self-explanatory. Firstly, conda create is to create something, and -n is for the name, then the environment name as env1, finally the Python version. Just press enter. After that, it will start collecting the necessary data to create the environment and ask you if you want to proceed or not. Just type y for yes and enter. Then the env1 environment will be created. You can see here that to activate this environment, you have to type conda activate env1, or you can simply copy and paste the command and enter. Now our brand new environment is activated. Notice that this base is turned into env1 now. This thing shows you the current environment you are in. To deactivate the environment and go back to the base again, just type conda deactivate. So we are in the base again. Now we can clear the screen typing cls. To check all the environments in your conda, type conda env list. It will show you all the available environments. You can see our env1 is also there. It's easy, right? To activate, type conda activate env1. And to deactivate, type conda deactivate. Now I'll show you how to manage packages in conda. At first, how to install a package in our environment 1. Activate the env1. I want to install the package called NumPy. So just type conda install NumPy. It will collect the necessary data from conda and ask you to proceed or not. Type y and enter, and it's done. You can install any packages like this, but some packages are not available in conda. In that case, you have to type pip install the package name. Remember these two installation commands and you are good to go. While you are in env1, if you want to check all the packages inside this environment, type conda list. You can see all the packages here including our numpy. Now if you want to remove a particular package, for example numpy, type conda remove numpy. It will ask your permission, say Y for yes. Now if we check again by conda list, boom, it's gone. If you ever want to export an environment, activate the environment and write conda and export greater than sign env1.yml. Boom, it's downloaded in your user folder as env1.yml. If you want to clone or duplicate an environment, go to the base, type conda create -n new env --clone env1. It will create a new environment called new env duplicating the env1. Now if you want to check the available environment list by conda env list, you can see that there's our env1 and also the new env which is exactly same as env1. You can activate or deactivate it with the default commands. Finally, what if I want to delete the entire new environment? It's easy. Just type conda remove -n new env --all. Say Y for yes, it's asking permission again, say yes again, and that's it, it's gone. Great, that's all you need to start working with conda. Here's a cheat sheet for you, check the description for the PDF link. Anaconda is really powerful and exploring its features will definitely make your coding experience smoother, more efficient and organized. Give it a try and let me know in the comments. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.